So today I'm going to be sharing with you some little tips. The first one is going to be on our new cling stamp sets. Now the cling stamp sets are going to be replacing the clear mount, not the clear like our photopolymer. Let me grab one here just a minute. So this is a photopolymer clear set, but you know we've had what we called clear mount before, which some people were having trouble with them sticking to their blocks, and so Stampin' Up designed a new cling stamp, and I'm going to be showing you how to mount these. You're going to take, just like you would mount your regular clear mount stamps, we're going to go over here and you can see that the design, the decal is on this side. And what I recommend is you're going to want to peel off both sides. Now these are very, very sticky, and you want to be sure that you are putting them in the right place the first time, because there's no second chance. Now you can still stamp, these will still cling to your stamp without the labels, but I've always been somebody that really, really loves to have the labels, with me. So what I like to do is line up part of it. I kind of try to get my head over the top of it, which I can't do right now. And then you're actually putting the stamp onto the label. Turn it over, give it a little rub, and pull it off. Now you're going to see that these are super sticky. They're actually a little sticky to touch, which is the beauty of them, because they will go on you just lay it on. I'm telling you, these are stuck. So they are never going to fall off your stamps. But now that means you need to remove them very carefully. You want to be able to get under the label before you pull up so you don't tear the foam. If you have a little trouble, you can always take your pick tool and slide that under one corner and pull it up. Now, my first thought when I saw these at On Stage is they're going to get all foamy and linty, and you can simply run them under water to clean them. And you don't want to use any rubbing alcohol or anything that may damage the label, but you can see that just by putting them on. I mean, these are really stuck. There is no way they're coming off. So then what I recommend, I'm going to show you on my next one, is I peel this top backing off, and I'll show you on one that I already have mounted. The set I'm going to be using today, in fact, the Meant to Be You. So what I've done, just to keep them coming up easily, you can store them right on there, but they stick really good. And I do notice the more I use them, the less I have issues trying to get them off the block. But they still are sticky to the block, but I don't have as much trouble getting them off the block. I suppose a little lint and stuff gets on them. But I did put that piece of label paper on there. It just makes them pop up easier than if they're on the plastic case.